We've talked about the heat locally, but it's not just our area dealing with whether we'd like to go away. The tropics have some big issues as well.
Yeah, we are 21 days into the Atlantic hurricane season, and we already have our second named storm, possibly our third named storm, before the week is over. Here's a look at satellite. You can see there in the middle of the Atlantic, you can see those two towering cloud cover there, and that is two systems. The first one I want to draw your attention to, though, is the one that is to the east. Now, this is Invest 93L. It has 70% chance of development. Right now, it's just a cluster of disorganized thunderstorms that are trying to form a tropical low. And what an Invest is, it's basically a weather system that the National Hurricane Center is interested in collecting more data using satellites, maybe even some buoys. Now here we are looking at Tropical Storm Bret. We've mentioned this one over the last couple of days. It has strengthened over the last 12 hours. Now 60-mile-per-hour wind speeds, max sustained at that. West at 16 miles per hour is that general movement, and it does look like it's heading towards the Lesser Antilles. I am expecting this to stay a tropical storm, and it looks like the remnants of it do head into Central America. So no local impacts here, but it is a bit early in the season. Now, if that second storm does form, it will be named Cindy.